Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a quick video, but I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I keep my hair just naturally like curled and like keep the body in there. And the trick is, let me show you. Okay, so every night before I go to bed, I do this one thing, and I've been doing this one thing for years, like since I could do my own hair. I got my hair done, I got it done on Saturday. It is Tuesday, and look at it. It's still giving body. I love it. And I feel like women should know how to do this trick, especially if you have natural hair and you want to sustain your hairstyle, because I've been getting a lot of questions about my hair, and you know, not just from Black women, but just like women in general. So this is the tip that I'm about to show you, and I'm going to show you how it looks the next day when I wake up too. So let's get into it. I take the brush and I just wrap my hair like a honeycomb. Wrap it all the way around till all the hair is literally wrapped. I just keep wrapping. There you go. And then it gets like this. And I'm gonna show you how it looks in the back. Okay, so once you get it like this, you're gonna take, don't judge me, but I use a do-rag because I feel like it just locks in the curls, the body, and the moisture. And it just does the trick for me every single time. And then I just wrap it around like this. Make sure I cover my edges. And then I tie it in the back. And then I bring it up like this. Let me stop popping. When you unwrap your hair, I promise you, you're gonna be like, I should have been going to bed looking like this. Okay, so bam, this is the first step, and then I put it on top of this because I don't know about you, but I sleep wild because I wrapped my hair plenty of nights when I got my hair done. And then it fell off, and then I was very upset. And if you sleep extra wild, like a caged animal, bam, you know, put you another one on there. And I go like this, I twist it, and then I put it up. Oh, let me redo that again. That was a little sloppy. I twist it at the top, and then bam, there you go. And this is how I wrap my hair every single night. And then I'm gonna show you, because I gotta take it down anyways, because I gotta take my makeup off and stuff like that. But I'm gonna take it down and show you how my hair stays in place. So in the morning, I just take it off like this. Take the top off. Bam, you know. And then you just untie it in the back. In the morning, I literally just go like this. Literally. And I'll be out the door. Okay? Quick, fast, and hurry. Like, I literally put my fingers through it and I walk out the door. When I get in the car, I might, you know, put a little brush or comb through it, but other than that, I really don't. I do get the brush. I just go. And that is it. Thank you for watching my little mini hair wrap tutorial.